This video will cover difficult questions regarding the topic of exponential equations. This is the first question. We can rewrite as base 3 cubed to the power of x plus 3 over 3 squared to the power of 4x minus 1 equals 3 to the power of 4 to the power of 3x plus 2, 3 to the power of 3x plus 9 over 3 to the power of 8x minus 2 equals 3 to the power of 12x plus 8. 3 to the power of 3x plus 9 minus 8x minus 2 equals 3 to the power of 12x plus 8. 3 to the power of 3x plus 9 minus 8x plus 2 equals 3 to the power of 12x plus 8. 3 to the power of minus 5x plus 11 equals 3 to the power of 12x plus 8. Since the bases are the same, the exponents must also be the same. Minus 5x plus 11 equals 12x plus 8. Minus 5x minus 12x equals 8 minus 11. Minus 17x equals minus 3. Then divide by minus 17 on each side. Therefore, x equals 3 over 17. Number 2, make a cube on each side. 9 to the power of 2x minus 3 over 27 to the power of x plus 2 equals 1 over 81 to the power of 6. We can rewrite as base 3 squared to the power of 2x minus 3 over 3 cubed to the power of x plus 2 equals 1 over 3 to the power of 4 to the power of 6. 3 to the power of 4x minus 6 over 3 to the power of 3x plus 6 equals 3 to the power of minus 4 to the power of 6. 3 to the power of 4x minus 6 minus 3x plus 6 equals 3 to the power of minus 24. 3 to the power of 4x minus 6 minus 3x minus 6 equals 3 to the power of minus 24. 3 to the power of x minus 12 equals 3 to the power of minus 24. Therefore, x minus 12 equals minus 24. Finally, x equals minus 12. Number 3, 9 over 4 equals 3 over 2 squared. Then make the reciprocal 2 over 3 to the power of minus 2. 8 over 27 equals 2 over 3 to the power of 3. Back to the original. 2 over 3 to the power of 2x minus 5 times 9 over 4 is 2 over 3 to the power of minus 2. Then to the power of 3x plus 1 equals 8 over 27 is 2 over 3 cubed to the power of x. 2 over 3 to the power of 2x minus 5 times 2 over 3 to the power of minus 6x minus 2 equals 2 over 3 to the power of 3x. 2 over 3 to the power of 2x minus 5 plus minus 6x minus 2 equals 2 over 3 to the power of 3x. 2 over 3 to the power of minus 4x minus 7 equals 2 over 3 to the power of 3x. Therefore, minus 4x minus 7 equals 3x. Then minus 7x equals 7. Final x equals minus 1. Number 4, make a positive exponent. 2 times 4 to the power of x minus 6 over 4 to the power of x equals 1 times 4 to the power of x on each side equals 1. 2 times 4 to the power of x squared minus the second one, 6 equals last one, 4 to the power of x. Use substitution. Let 4 to the power of x be a. Then 2a squared minus 6 equals a. 2a squared minus a minus 6 equals 0. We can factor. I will use cross method. 2a times a, 3 times minus 2, 3 times a equals 3a, 2a times minus 2 equals minus 4a, combine together make minus a, then 2a plus 3, a minus 2 equals 0, so a equals minus 3 over 2 and 2. Back to the original, 4 to the power of x equals minus 3 over 2 and 2. But minus 3 over 2 is an extraneous root because 4 to the power of x is greater than 0. So finally, 4 to the power of x equals 2. Then 4 is 2 squared equals 2. Then 2 to the power of 2x equals 2, which is 2 to the power of 1. Finally, 2x equals 1. Therefore, x equals 1 over 2. Number 5, f of x equals 2 to the power of x. So f of 2x equals 2 to the power of 2x. And f of x plus 2 equals 2 to the power of x plus 2. So f of 2x minus 3 times f of x plus 2 plus 32 equals 0. f of 2x is 2 to the power of 2x minus 3 times f of x plus 2 is 2 to the power of x plus 2 plus 32 equals 0. We can rewrite as 2 to the power of x then squared minus 3 times 2 to the power of x times 2 squared plus 32 equals 0. 2 to the power of x squared minus 3 times 4, which is 12, times 2 to the power of x plus 32 equals 0. Then use the substitution. Let 2 to the power of x be a squared minus 12a plus 32 equals 0. We can factor a minus 4 times a minus 8 equals 0. Back to the original, a was 2 to the power of x minus 4, 2 to the power of x minus 8 equals 0. 2 to the power of x equals 4, and 2 to the power of x equals 8. 2 to the power of x equals 4, which is 2 squared, then x equals 2. 2 to the power of x equals 2 to the power of 3, which is x equals 3. This is the final answer. Number 6, we can rewrite as base 3, 3 to the power of 4 to the power of x plus 3y over 3 cubed to the power of 3x plus 2y equals 1 over 3 cubed. 3 to the power of 4x plus 12y over 3 to the power of 9x plus 6y equals 3 to the power of minus 3. Then 3 to the power of 4x plus 12y minus 9x plus 6y equals 3 to the power of minus 3. Then 3 to the power of minus 5x plus 6y equals 3 to the power of minus 3. Therefore, minus 5x plus 6y equals minus 3. And second equation, we can rewrite as base 3. 3 to the power of 3 to the power of x plus 2y over 3 squared to the power of 4x minus y equals 3. 3 to the power of 3x plus 6y over 3 to the power of 8x minus 2y equals 3. 3 to the power of 3x plus 6y minus 8x minus 2y equals 3. 3 to the power of 3x plus 6y minus 8x plus 2y equals 3. 3 to the power of minus 5x plus 8y equals 3. Therefore, minus 5x plus 8y equals 1. Now we have two equations. The first one, minus 5x plus 6y equals minus 3. Second one, minus 5x plus 8y equals 1. Then subtract, cancelled. 6y minus 8y, which is minus 2y, equals minus 3 minus 1, which is minus 4. So y equals 2. Then put it here. Minus 5x plus 8 times 2 is 16 equals 1. Minus 5x equals minus 15. So x equals 3. Therefore, x equals 3, then y equals 2. This is the final answer. This is the last question. We can rewrite as base 2. 2 to the power of 3 to the power of square root of x minus 1 equals 2 squared to the power of x minus 2. 2 to the power of 3 times the square root of x minus 1 equals 2 to the power of 2x minus 4. Then 3 times the square root of x minus 1 equals 2x minus 4. Then square both sides. 9 times x minus 1 equals 4x squared minus 16x plus 16. Then 9x minus 9 equals 4x squared minus 16x plus 16. Move 9x minus 9 to the right. So 4x squared minus 25x plus 25 equals 0. Then we can factor. Use the cross method. So 4x times x minus 5 times minus 5. So this one make minus 20x. This one make minus 5x. Combine together minus 25x. So we can factor 4x minus 5 times x minus 5 equals 0. So x equals 5 over 4 and 5. Then we have to check the first one. If x equals 5 over 4, put 5 over 4 into the original equation. A to the power of square root of 5 over 4 minus 1 equals 4 to the power of 5 over 4 minus 2. Then 2 to the power of 3 to the power of square root of 1 over 4 equals 2 to the power of 2 to the power of minus 3 over 4. Then 2 to the power of 3 to the power of 1 over 2 equals 2 to the power of minus 3 over 2. Then 2 to the power of 3 over 2 is to the power of minus 3 over 2, but it's not. Therefore, x equals 5 over 4 is an extraneous root. Number 2, if x equals 5, a to the power of square root of 5 minus 1 equals 4 to the power of 5 minus 2, a to the power of square root of 4, which is 2, then 4 to the power of 3, 2 cubed to the power of 2 equals 2 squared to the power of 3. So 2 to the power of 6 equals 2 to the power of 6, which is the same. Therefore, by 1 and 2, x equals 5. I hope this video has been helpful. This is the last of 3 videos covering exponential equations. Previous lessons are linked in the description bar below. If you have any questions, please leave them in a comment. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.